Today in this video, I will show you how to disable your internal keyboard of your laptop. So to do that, let's just go to this PC and right click there and click in Manage. So we will use external keyboard instead, okay? So here in this Manage section, you can see the Device Manager here. Click there. And here you can see the keyboards, right? So HID keyboard means it's an external keyboard. So I will remove the external keyboard right now. Okay, then standard PS/2 keyboard is our internal keyboard. So just you can see the properties of this keyboard. Now right click in standard PS2 keyboard. So you can see the object driver. So just click in object driver and click in browse my computer for driver and click in let me pick up from a list. Just click in next and you can see here, just untick this option and scroll down. Here you will see SUH. So just click SUH and in second option, you just have to select USB to keyboard and click in next. Now just press yes and the Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So just you have to read these instructions. Now this driver will not work unless we restart our PC. So just close this and we have to restart by clicking in yes. So now I have restarted my PC. Just wait a sec. Now here you can see my PC has restarted and I'm not able to access my internal keyboard because I have disabled it because it's very bad keyboard in this laptop. So this is not working. Now I will plug the external keyboard right now. Okay, now I'm back to the screen again to show you whether the keyboard is disabled or not completely and the external keyboard is working or not, right? So let's just open the blank presentation in PowerPoint here and I will show you first the external keyboard is working. So let me type here. So if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe. So I will type here, hello boy, subscribe if you like. Okay. So the external keyboard is working very perfectly, right? So let's check the internal keyboard is working or not. So I will type here. Look at, there's no functionality of internal keyboard. Okay, but the external keyboard is perfectly working. So this is the best solution to get rid of that bad keyboard. Thank you for watching.